take a look at your iPad again. Now that we've watched that video and talked a little bit about it, on your iPad, you are being asked to create a drawing to explain. No, look what it says on your iPad.
Wow.
Create a drawing to explain how photosynthesis works. Be as specific as possible. Think about what we've talked about. What goes in, what comes out. Create a drawing. Don't consult with your neighbor. We're going to be able to look at everybody's up here and talk about them. Don't worry about, you're not being judged on your artwork. We're just seeing if you get the idea. If you're not sure about spelling or things like that, just sound it up. You draw what you think, but don't tell your friends because we're going to look at everybody's in a minute, okay?
Okay.
We're going to take a few minutes to do that. And then we will see them on the board together and we can talk about them. Don't submit it or send it until you're sure you're happy with what you've got.
Okay.
Let's take about 3 or 4 more minutes to get our ideas down and then submit. Remember, we're not judging your artistic ability. We're just looking to see if you get the idea of showing how photosynthesis works. Think of our ingredients that a plant needs. Think about what it ends up creating at the end of the process. You can write in words. You can draw in pictures. There's even a little text where you can draw a picture and then type your ideas if you would like to do that. Grace centers. Good job, Grace. You're the winner, chicken dinner. You're the first one to send yours. Let's take 2 more minutes. Yes, sir.
What to do outside the
What? Say that again?
What should you do to keep it like this?
What should you do to keep it right there? Just tap somewhere else. And then you can like make another text box if you want, or is that what you were trying to do? That's not what you were trying to do? What are you trying to do?
Yeah, that was.
Okay, yeah, you wanted to like leave that and then be able to type something else down here. So then you just go back here again and then like you can type it and then move the box where you want it. Is that what you're trying to do? Make like separate boxes for it? All right, 1 more minute. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to see more friends' ideas.
Miss Skelly?
Yeah. Yay! Thank you, Ethan. All right. Oh, we got Nyla's. All right. I'm going to set the timer on my phone and give you only 1 more minute. At that point, you need to send them. Whether or not they are finished, because we have to share our ideas and move on to the next part.
Oh, here comes Leah.
Yay!
Joey.
Joey's. Nice.
Why does it say this?
Don't worry about it. Okay, it's Leah, it's so that if you realize, oh man, I forgot to send it without, I forgot to add this word on it and you wanted to, then you could.
I'm the one in the first row.
The timer's gonna go off soon and then I'm gonna test for them some more.
Here comes Chad. How do you do this? Here comes Bryce. Oh, and Amari. And Bryce.
Alright, so
I need help.
why don't you ask? She's right across from you. Can she help you maybe? What is it you're trying to do?
I'm trying to do it in a box.
Just send what you have, sweetie. It's okay.
I want you to
Alan,
do it at the
Leah,
same time.
thank you. Omari, thank you. Bryce, I believe you're the only one we're waiting for. Please just send whatever you have done. It's okay if it's not finished. Awesome, thank you. We're gonna check everybody's. Okay, so you were asked to create a picture showing the idea of photosynthesis. We have a little dude. I assume he's breathing out there, right?
Yep.
Great. So he's breathing. We've got some water. We've got some sunlight. Is this the sugar?
Yeah.
And there's the air from the plant, right?
Yep.
Nice. You got the idea. All right, Alan. I think that photosynthesis happens when plants receive water, carbon dioxide, and light, then produces oxygen. Very nice. Here we go. Is this all the oxygen floating in the air? I like it. Layla. Ooh, lots of color. All right, we've got sunlight, right? It's going into our plant. Here's the nice roots, right? And here's our person. Breathing out and breathing in. Nice. The green reflects off the pyramid, but the other colors goes right into the pyramid. That's true. That's why our plants are green. Well, not all plants, but that's why most plants are green, Omari. Okay, sunlight, right, with carbon dioxide goes in, and we're going to get, Bryce, some what? What are we going to get from these plants?
Oxygen.
Yes, Bryce, you sound like Shahid. That's amazing how you can do that. Joey, all right.
Breathing in and then another guy breathing out.
Yeah.
And then
The plant's doing its stuff, right?
And then it's raining and then the sun is shining on the plant.
And it says the cycle, because that's the cycle of how it works. Exactly. Shahid, there we go. We're breathing out our carbon dioxide. Water's going in, sunlight's going in, and out comes glucose and sugar. Leah, I love it. Look, I'm breathing onto my plant. The sun is shining on the plant. That plant's doing a whole lot of cool chemical stuff inside while it photosynthesizes. All right, Grace, here I am, breathing. Here's the sun, here's water, here's oxygen and sugar, right? And that's photosynthesis. You got the idea, Grace? Eunice, sunlight plus CO2 and also water equals sugar and oxygen. Is that a happy person breathing in, Eunice? Yes. I'm happy when I get to breathe fresh oxygen too. All right, Nyla, we've got sunlight, we've got carbon dioxide, we've got water. Boop, they're going into the plant, out. It's coming oxygen. And the plant is getting to keep that sugar for itself. So it gets what it wants, the sugar, and it gets what we want, the oxygen. All right, Jaden. Very nice. I love how you guys use all these colors. Look, we've got sunlight, we've got water, we've got carbon dioxide,